One thing I've learned by the age of 25 is the importance of self-care. Emphasis on self. It's not for vanity reasons, ego boosts, and Instagram likes, but it's to show yourself time and time again that you are worth the investment. As a woman, our looks are often judged, so much so that we judge ourselves for the smallest things on a daily basis. Self-care really has levels to it, but you get to decide what that looks like for you. $1,000 services may not be feasible and realistic for you, and that's okay. Personal finances are personal, so find ways to fill all your needs into your budget. In the world of a $200 lash, $150 set of nails, and $500 plus hairstyle, you can feel overwhelmed as if you can't participate in self-care at all. But that's not true. There are so many affordable options for maintenance. The pandemic taught us that. We were all stuck at home and had to get creative. During that time, I buckled down on low-cost protective styles and stuck to my old faithful press-on nails. As time goes on and your monetary means grow, feel free to splurge in luxury. And don't feel bad about it. But if you're not there yet, create your own luxury. It really is what you make it. Hey YouTube, how y'all been? It's your girl Micha'ela Monique, and I'm back with another video. I'm super excited for this video, you guys. This is going to be a maintenance vlog under a certain amount of money. So basically on a budget, within budgets. The point of this video, y'all, is to show you guys that you do not have to break the bank to feel beautiful, to take care of yourself, to do self-care, to keep up your maintenance. Because I know as a girl, we just don't feel right if our hair's not done, nails not done, like the whole shebang. So, you know, I'm really feeling that way. And I need some maintenance, child. Okay, we need to get all of this done. My eyebrows, like I just finished washing and blow drying my hair to get ready for my hair appointment. This week I'm gonna be taking you guys on my hair appointment, facial, brows, and nails, and we gonna get it all done under a certain budget. Okay, leave in the comments right now how much you think I'm gonna spend on everything in 1 week, and we're gonna be tallying up this entire video to see how much I actually do spend. I have a number in my mind, but we'll see if I make it. So I'm super excited for this video. This is a video I've been wanting to do for a while, but I need it now more than ever because I am have recovered from COVID. I had COVID this past week, you guys. It just hit me like a brick, okay? Like a brick. And I had never caught it before, but listen, thankfully, thank God, it was a mild case. I was not needing to be hospitalized or anything. I just stayed at home, quarantined. I took my medicine that was prescribed, and I just really took some time. Like, while we're talking about self-care, like I took some time for self-care. I curled up on this couch, watched Bridgerton, and I stayed in my pajamas for days. I have not left my house. I have not gone out. I haven't seen anybody besides my family virtually. I really need this self-care time more than ever now that I am COVID negative and feeling more like myself, y'all. Like I said, like it's something different when you get your hair done, because this is not done. This is not done. This is like halfway done. Let me know some things that you like to do for self-care, for your maintenance, like what's a must-have, and I'm gonna share everything that I do this upcoming week. Okay, so the first order of business is my hair. I've been wearing my natural hair out for the past 2 to 3 weeks, and it's time to put in another protective style. Although I love my natural hair, no shade to my natural hair, I do enjoy the ease of waking up and not having to do my hair because I have a protective styling. So I'm just prepping my hair for that. I'm gonna get passion twist lock type things. I'll show you guys everything in a minute, but today I'm just washing my hair, blow drying it, moisturizing it, and getting it ready because my hair appointment is in 2 days. So Some of the biggest questions I get is what products do I use on my natural hair these days. I have been using Mielle Organics. I freaking love this stuff. As a person who has destroyed their natural hair on multiple occasions, dyeing my hair, having it turn green, dyeing my hair and having it fall out, I am on my regrowth journey. So how have I been regrowing my hair and keeping it healthy and making sure I don't mess it up again? Mielle Organics. I love this stuff so much, and I especially love the oil. So it's the Mielle Organics rosemary mint oil, rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. When I tell you I have gone through this twice, okay, I'm down to the nitty-gritty. Like, I can't even use the little dropper at this point. I have to pour it out in my hands because I don't have too much left. So I just typically put it in my scalp. I especially put it on my edges. Y'all need to check out Mielle because listen, I will say I need a trim. I need a trim. That's not happening today or this weekend, but I need a trim. Okay, so I finally finished blow drying my hair. I like to put it in these little like fat twists so that for the next couple of days my hair can have like a little texture to it. Yeah, but yeah, I finally finished. So now I'm going to unravel and run some errands for the rest of the day. I'm gonna check back in with you guys tomorrow for my first appointment. Good morning. So it's day 2 of maintenance day and my hair is still waiting to be done. Today I'm gonna take care of my eyebrows because girl, they need some work. So I'm actually gonna try a new service for my brows, which is gonna be threading and tinting. I've never done the tint, but I feel like it'll help keep them full. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to take care of that today. And anyways, this is day 2 of maintenance day and let's go. Have just pulled up to my facial appointment. I will say this has been the greatest investment I have recently made in the past year for my self-care. Really prioritizing like my face, and I will include some clips of how bad my skin was. I am very prone to cystic acne, hyperpigmentation, and my skin is in no way perfect right now. Like, I still have little breakouts. Like, it's that time of the month, and you know, I got a little pimple here and there. But the way that my skin has improved in the past year working with my dermatologist, esthetician, it's worth every single penny. So this service that I'm scheduled for is called derma planning. It's essentially removing like the top layer of a little bit of my dead skin and hair on my face, which prevents like pores getting clogged and more breakouts coming. But really, what really helped my skin was a series of chemical peels that we did. So I come here every single month and I get some type of treatment done. Time for this facial. So in regards to the hairstyle, I always wear it in this little style. These are like passion twist sort of things, but they're not traditional passion twists. I did use a tutorial from Chef B, so I will make sure that I link that down in the description. But I wanted to go over the hair that I use for this video. Essentially, this is a style where you mix the 2 hair types together and you're twisting them with your natural hair. And so that's the look that I've achieved with this. The next part of my self-care routine is going to be doing my nails, and as you might have heard me say earlier in the video, I only do press-ons now. About 4 years ago, I stopped going to the nail salon. I realized I was spending so much money, and I said, baby, I cannot do this every 2 to 3 weeks. it's just not something that I want to spend money on. I'd rather spend my money on something else, and so that's just my preference. So I've gotten really creative over the years of like using press-ons, and depending on the event, I might go extravagant or I might go basic. So I just got some bare but better press-on nails. I think they kind of go with my outfit a little bit, and that's the good thing with press-ons, is that if you need to change your color, you definitely can. So I'm just going to pop these on and I'll be right back. So I just finished my nails. They're really cute, very light, I guess, kind of dainty. And now's the portion of the video where I'm gonna tally up how much I actually did spend this maintenance week. In my head, I was thinking I can spend under $300 to get all these maintenance things done, and I think I actually did. So my eyebrows were $35 and nails were $10, that's $45. Then my hair was $65 to install. I actually had a friend install them, and my hair itself that I had to buy was about $50. The most expensive thing was actually my dermaplaning facial, so that was about $125, $150. So I think this brings me up to a little bit under $300. I'll make sure that I put the full total on the video, but that was the point. It was to, you know, really remind myself that I should be able to take care of myself and do the small things that make me feel beautiful, and I encourage you guys to do the same. It doesn't have to break the bank. You don't need to spend $5,000 on a frontal and a wig and all types of things, but if you do, I'm not judging you. You know, if you can afford it, go ahead and do that. But if you are a budget baddie like myself and you're very money conscious and you always want to make sure that you're making smart decisions, you definitely can find ways to, you know, save but also be beautiful and be confident. So that was the entire purpose of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.